Okay, now starting with the question number 12, which of the following is not supplying the marked area of the heart? So you can see in the diagram, there is a specimen of the heart and the arteries are marked by red color. So we have to also see the arrow marked area, that is, firstly you have to identify the arrow marked area and then give the answer. Either it is right coronary artery, anterior interventricular artery, marginal artery or diagonal artery. Okay. So coming to the explanation of this question, so let me just enlarge this diagram. So when I am enlarging this diagram, so what you can appreciate that this area which has been shown in the diagram, this is the area of this area. This is the area of right ventricle. So what is this? This is right ventricular area. Right ventricle of the heart. Okay. So means the MCQ is traced like that. We have to tell that which of the arteries is not giving blood supply to the right ventricle of the heart. So options are right coronary artery, anterior interventricular, marginal and the diagonal artery. Now, I would like to explain the arterial supply of the heart. As we know, the arterial supply of the heart is from two arteries, that is the right and the left coronary arteries. So in this diagram, this is a diagram in which you can see both the left coronary artery and also the right coronary artery. So most important for the MCQ session is that you should know the origin of right and the left coronary artery. So firstly, I would like to give you the general brief about the origin of these two arteries. So write down. Right coronary artery is arising from anterior aortic sinus, And when I talk about the left coronary artery arises from left posterior aortic sinus. So this is about the origin of the two coronary arteries, which is important for solving the MCQ. So you should know the origin of each of the two coronary arteries, right and the left coronary artery, which is supplying or giving blood supply to the heart. Now, coming to the important branches. So right coronary artery, most important branch is posterior. Most important branch of right coronary artery is posterior descending artery. Now, what is posterior descending artery? The other name is also, it is called as posterior interventricular arteries. Other arteries are right marginal artery, conus artery and all. And there is anterior ventricular and posterior ventricular branches. When I talk about the left coronary artery, important branches are left circumflex, left marginal and left anterior descending or interventricular artery. So both the side we have got interventricular arteries. One of it is a branch from right coronary artery and another is a branch from left coronary artery. Now other branches are diagonal arteries. Now it is important for us to know the important branches and the area of the supply, which has been asked in this MCQ. So firstly, I would like to enumerate the branches of coronary artery. So write down. Branches of right coronary artery. The important branch of right coronary arteries are following. It gives conus branch. It gives posterior interventricular branch. It gives anterior ventricular and posterior ventricular branch. It gives anterior ventricular branch and that of posterior ventricular branch. And anterior ventricular is also giving an important branch, that is, so it also have another important branch, that is marginal branch. So these are the important branches of the right coronary arteries, directly or indirectly, which is giving blood supply to the parts of the heart. So when I talk about the conus branch is supplying the right ventricular infundibulum. Which part of right ventricle? Infundibulum part of right ventricle. Infundibulum part of which ventricle? Right ventricle. Posterior interventricular branch is it's a very important artery. And why it is very important, I will tell you the reason why it is very important, because this is the artery which determines the coronary dominance. So if the MCQ comes about the coronary dominance of the heart, you should know the answer that the posterior interventricular artery determines which is the dominant part of the heart. So generally, so it's important for you to note that the posterior interventricular posterior interventricular artery is the branch of right coronary artery. That means right part of the heart is dominant. So in most of the case, 90% of the cases, what happens, there is right dominance of the heart, because the posterior interventricular artery is a branch of right coronary artery, and it is supplying the major part of posterior interventricular septum. It is supplying posterior interventricular septum and the major part of the right ventricle, and also contribute to the part of left ventricle. But major chunk of the right ventricle is getting blood supply from the posterior interventricular artery. Now, moving to the other. So, anterior ventricular and posterior ventricular is supplying the right ventricle. Marginal branch is also giving blood supply to the right ventricle. So, these are the branches of right coronary artery. Now, moving to the branches of left coronary artery. Important branches of left coronary artery. The important branch of left coronary artery is circumflex and LAD artery. Most important branch is circumflex artery, and the other is LAD artery. What do you mean by LAD? LAD means left anterior descending artery. Left anterior descending artery. It is also called as left anterior interventricular artery. It is also called as anterior interventricular artery, and this is the major part. This artery is mainly supplying the left ventricle, but it also supplies the part of right ventricle. It's a very important branch of left coronary artery. Other than that, it also gives conus arteries. It also gives diagonal arteries. Okay. Diagonal artery is mainly giving blood supply to the left ventricle. It is mainly giving blood supply to the left ventricle. Now, if I talk about SA node and AV node, if I talk about SA node and AV node, so SA node, AV node. SA node in 60% cases is getting blood supply from right coronary artery. And in cases of 80% of the cases, AV node is also getting blood supply from right coronary artery. Okay. So now moving to the options which is provided in the MCQ. So again moving to the MCQ. Okay, in the MCQ, which of the following is not supplying the area marked? The area marked is right ventricle. So right coronary artery, absolutely it is the correct one. It is giving blood supply to right ventricle. So it can't be the answer. Anterior interventricular artery. What is the other name of anterior interventricular artery? LAD artery. Yes, as we have seen in the description that it is also giving blood supply to the right ventricle. So it can't be the answer. Marginal artery. Yes, it is also supplying the right ventricle. So right coronary artery, anterior interventricular artery, marginal artery, all are giving blood supply to the area marked area, that is the right ventricle. What will be the correct answer to this MCQ? So the correct answer will be diagonal artery. Diagonal artery is not giving blood supply to the right ventricle. It is mainly giving blood supply to which ventricle? To the left ventricle and not the right ventricle. Okay.